Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about the latest update from Google, the Gemini Spark, which is now rolling out to Google AI Pro subscribers in the US, and will soon be available to other countries. The Gemini Spark is Google's personal AI agent for automating complex tasks, and it's a game changer. With Spark, you'll have a new tab on the web, and a new page on Android and iOS, where you can access all the features of this AI agent. Spark uses connected apps like Google Workspace and Search, personal intelligence, remote web browser and computer with code execution, chats, Canvas, and location to accomplish workflows. It introduces the concept of skills, which are reusable instructions with additional context, and schedules, which are automated triggers like time or conditions, with a task being the high-level goal you want accomplished. You can have up to 15 tasks running at a given time, with Spark using the same compute-based usage limits as the rest of Gemini. Since launch, Google has expanded what Spark can do, with the Workspace functionality getting particularly big updates. The Gemini macOS app lets you start tasks, like browsing files, from your phone. Calendar, Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Drive are all integrated, and you can even edit shared documents, spreadsheets, and presentations, but you'll need to review and confirm Gemini Spark's planned edits. Google Keep and Google Tasks are also integrated, with Gemini able to perform bulk actions on private tasks in Google Tasks without your confirmation, so be sure to review your request before you submit or manage directly in Google Tasks. Now, let's talk about the design and build of Gemini Spark, which is all about simplicity and ease of use. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate and find what you need. The build quality is also top-notch, with a seamless integration with other Google apps and services. When it comes to specs and performance, Gemini Spark is a powerhouse, with the ability to handle complex tasks and workflows with ease. It's fast, efficient, and reliable, making it a great tool for anyone looking to automate their tasks and workflows. One of the new features of Gemini Spark is the ability to use skills and schedules to automate tasks, which is a huge time saver. You can also use the Gemini macOS app to start tasks from your phone, which is really convenient. As for rumors and leaks, there's not much out there right now, but we do know that Google is constantly updating and improving Gemini Spark, so we can expect to see even more features and functionality in the future. The expected release date for Gemini Spark is now, as it's rolling out to Google AI Pro subscribers in the US, and will soon be available to other countries. The price is included with the Google AI Pro subscription, which is a great value considering all the features and functionality you get. In our verdict, Gemini Spark is a game changer for anyone looking to automate their tasks and workflows. It's easy to use, powerful, and efficient, making it a must-have for anyone who wants to get more done in less time. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech content.